This video deconstructs the structural analysis of the $5,000 gold pricing paradigm, which we refer to as the gold engine. In early 2026, gold surged over 60% to reach $5,381 per ounce, shattering historical models. This $5,000 anomaly is a fundamental system realignment, breaking traditional correlations. The architecture of this supercycle involves four key components: the Sovereign Accumulator, the Combustion Chamber, the pressure valve, and the supply bottleneck. Component 1, the Sovereign Accumulator, represents the central bank reserve reconfiguration. Global central bank gold holdings now approach $5 trillion, surpassing U.S. Treasury holdings for the first time. The mechanics of sovereign demand show central banks maintaining elevated purchases. Notable increases are seen in China, Poland, India, and Kazakhstan, driven by hedging and de-risking. Component 2, the Combustion Chamber, acts as the primary catalyst. Escalating conflict in the Middle East has driven the oil-gold correlation coefficient to a high of 0.84. The current market mirrors the 1979 Iranian Revolution, where an oil supply shock led to a 276% surge in gold. Every energy supply shock mechanically triggers a massive repricing of safe haven assets. Component 3, the pressure valve, highlights unprecedented U.S. fiscal stress. With unsustainable national debt and over $1 trillion in annual interest payments, gold functions to protect purchasing power as fiat value degrades. M2 expansion and system dilution show the U.S. money supply has grown significantly. As the fiat currency denominator expands, hard assets like gold must mathematically reprice upwards, projecting potential valuations near $9,700. Component 4, the supply bottleneck, occurs because institutional and central bank demand spikes cannot be met by physical market fundamentals. Annual supply growth is constrained to only 1%, while demand exceeds 5,000 tons. System stress highlights the paper versus physical drain, with total COMEX silver stockpiles plummeting. This extreme physical drain serves as an early warning for broader precious metal supply chain failures. The diagnostic output, the Graham model, confirms gold's performance is driven by diverse structural forces. Key contributions include geopolitical risk, reduced opportunity cost, economic expansion, and price momentum. Forward specs for base case projections show major institutions view current pricing as a newly established floor, supported by structural accumulation. Projections from Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan range from $5,400 to $6,300 by the end of 2026. Tail risk scenarios, such as the JP Morgan upside scenario, project extreme upside limits between $8,000 and $12,800 under conditions of severe fiat debasement and full-scale conflict. The $5,000 gold paradigm is a mechanical output of a system de-risking from fiat currency and geopolitical fragility. The global financial engine has been re-engineered, establishing the new architecture of reserves.